The Rabble Rabble show, I got chat with them and make them chat for it.
It's your girl Leah here, and right now my day for drop a hot mix up. Tell me, what would you do? Rabble Rabble, straight rabblings.
Let me tell you the problem, and people don't seem to understand this part of it. Money is not easy to come by. You ask people for donations and so on. They give you some. I don't want to tell you who was Oswest's largest donor. I don't want to tell you who gave him the most money. But I'll tell you this. Much of the money that the Labour had spent in this election was money that they stole from the people themselves. They stole that money and they stored a part of it to use in buying votes. It is not through the generosity of others that they were able to get the whole set of money that they had. This was as a result of them stealing $14 billion from the public purse. 14 billion, that's $4.6 million from every single Jamaican, including the baby, including the beggar who was to pay GCT. And then they took it and they bought my black brothers and sisters. This is a return to slavery. That's what it is. But this time is not the white man buying the black man. It's the black man putting up himself for sale to anybody, whether black or white. My brother, we are going to regret this. I will be gone. I will be gone. But black people going to regret it, because the time is coming when not one single person coming out of North East St. Catherine will be able to become a member of Parliament. Not one. Only the rich, the very rich, will be able to become members of Parliament, to plunder the public purse some more and steal some more and let themselves get richer. I'm told that Michael Manley time gone. My God, my God, why hast thou forsaken us?
Rabble Rabble, no fear for tell them say you hear it, yes, so remember for like, share and subscribe. Straight Rabblings.